little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry, be happy.
Hey y'all, it's Thalia, and as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be me making a green breakfast. So I'm starting off with a smoothie, which I like to call the green machine, and then just a simple avocado toast. Nothing super duper fancy, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm starting off with one green apple, and I'm washing it with this fruit and vegetable wash, which I love. I get it from Trader Joe's. And then I am peeling off the skin and just cutting it up into tiny pieces so that it can blend well and the chunks don't get stuck in my blender.
Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.
Alright, next I'm adding the spinach, and I get this from Trader Joe's. I'm using baby spinach, and it's triple washed already. So I put that in there, probably about a cup worth of, or maybe a little bit less actually, of baby spinach in my blender cup. Okay, next guys, I'm adding my ginger. And this is pretty much to your taste. Not everyone likes the taste of ginger. I love it, so I kind of add a lot. So it's really up to you, this part. Also, so apparently ginger is loaded with antioxidants and it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with like upset stomach. So that's another reason why I like to add a lot, just for that purpose. But next I am going to be adding turmeric. And turmeric is also supposed to be super duper good for the body. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's super duper good for your gut. So I add about 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Oh, and it's also supposed to help with your skin. So, and also comment down below if you want to see a turmeric face mask recipe, DIY. I will definitely make one. I have been using it, and so far I really like it. It's made my skin pretty smooth. Alright, so this is what it should look like at this point. It has the apple, the spinach, the ginger, and the turmeric. And now we're adding coconut water. This coconut water I got from Whole Foods. And yeah, I'm adding about 2 cups of coconut water. And I had to rinse out my little measuring cup first. Okay, that's the first cup that I'm adding and pouring it in, and that's the second cup that I'm adding. I didn't fill it all the way up, just FYI. And yeah, so now I'm straining it because it was super duper thick, and that's what it should look like. Alright guys, so now we're moving on to the avocado toast. We're starting off with 2 slices of white bread, or whatever kind of bread you want. If you want to be healthy, choose that multigrain and that whole wheat, go for it. I personally like white bread. It's just my prerogative. Alright, next we're going to wash the avocado, rinse it, open up, hope and pray that we get a nice, beautiful avocado. Mine was alright. It wasn't any like dark spots, but it could have been prettier. I've had prettier avocados. And now you're going to smush it up and just smear it all over. My camera actually died, so I wasn't able to film me spreading it. But I added salt, pepper, and a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top. Hardly any though. And that's what it looks like. So you can't even see the little cheese parts. Or the little cheese bits. But yeah. And that's my breakfast, my green breakfast. So I have my green machine smoothie filled with those antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties. And then I have my delicious avocado toast to pair with my smoothie. So I hope you guys like this. Give it a thumbs up, please, and comment down below. Have a great day, everybody.
Happy.